Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got another unboxing for May and it is Birchbox. I think they've stopped their drawers. We haven't had a drawer box for a long while. But that's fine, it's a nice little box this month. If you're new to Birchbox and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But if you just want to skip forward to seeing what's inside this box, then you will find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to click forward. Birchbox is a monthly beauty subscription box, and this is Birchbox UK, and it only ships within the UK. The cost of the box is £13.95, and if you opt for a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription, then the cost comes down. And currently they have a code which is May 20, which will entitle you to receive 20% off your first box. And I've got a refer a friend code, and I think it's £5 off your first box, so I'll pop both down below in my description, as well as a link to the subscriptions. You're welcome to take a look there. But inside you get 5 beauty items, and they range from skincare, hair care, makeup and beauty tools, and also some freebies we've had in the past as well. But the sizes tend to be on the small size, and I always say this in all my videos. I just want to be honest and open with you, but the sizes do tend to be on the smaller size. The reason we get samples and deluxe minis is because Birchbox has an online store, and they want to provide a treat that you receive once a month, and if you love any of the products, then you can go onto their website to purchase the full size. When you first subscribe, you are entitled to 10% off any of the products and any limited edition boxes, etc. on their website. And then when you subscribe for 6 months or more, unless it's changed, I don't think it has, then you become a VIP, which will entitle you to receive 15% off anything off their website. So I've been a subscriber to Birchbox for a long time, probably around 7 to 8 years, something like that. I've dipped in and out, so there has been some gaps in between. But yeah, some boxes are great, some are amazing, really happy, others not so much. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, then please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what's inside my May box. The theme this month is Skinvestment. It says, "Hello Birchboxers, just like your personality, your skin is unique, and that's why you should take care of it every single day. Your skin deserves its special moments, so give it lots of attention and pamper it every day with your May Birchbox. This month, make your skin the star." Sometimes it tells you a sneak peek for the following month, but no, it's not showing anything. So I'll refer to this as we go along. Before I begin, I forgot to say that if you do subscribe this month, you might not receive exactly what you're seeing in my box. And that's because at the start of the month, they bring out their edit. It could be about 8 different products. You'll receive 5 of those. Generally, we all receive around 2 or 3 of the products. A few others then are different. If you want to have a look at the full list of products you might get, then yeah, if you were to go onto their website and click on the subscribe, which I'll pop down below, then you'll be able to see then what you might have. So first up, I've got a Moonpad Pro by Glove, a bamboo cotton pad for facial cleansing. This is new for me. I haven't had this before. You put your fingers in there. Oh, I like that. Handy for really getting into corners. And yeah, no, I really like that. I have got quite a few of these pads, different types of pads, different brands. I use them all the time. But yeah, so that's a little bit different. So why is it? It's a Moonpad Pro. This is our full-size product, and it retails for £4.90, which is quite pricey. I think that's quite pricey. Become more environmentally friendly with your skincare routine thanks to these reusable bamboo cotton pads. Remove makeup only using water, or add your favourite makeup remover to the mix for some additional hydration. Moonpad Pro will not absorb any makeup remover, meaning a little goes a long way. And it just says simply wash the pad before reusing, and you're good to go without any of the fuss. Next, we've got Korres. Is that how you say it? Korres or Korres? Korres, I think it is. It's a Greek brand, and this is Renewing Body Cleanser, and this is Santorini Grape. Renew and hydrate, and there's 40 mils here. Oh, I love this brand. I've tried some of this skincare, and it is beautiful. I bought a set of hand creams in all of their, I was going to say flavours, but scents. But yeah, Santorini Grape. Oh, it's so nice. It's quite sweet. This is a sample, but the full size retails for £14. The skin transformation treatment comes straight from the fountain of youth. Not only does it lock in rich hydration, but also promotes skin radiance with its ultra soft foaming formula. Simply massage onto the skin to maintain moisture levels for a naturally healthy looking complexion. I'd never refer to my body as complexion. only my face. Next up, we've got a product by Dr. Pawpaw, and I would have thought this is full size, but it doesn't say it. Yeah, I always thought this was actual full size, 25 mils. I don't know, I've never bought a full size one. But this is a shea butter balm, a natural and organic multi-purpose soothing balm with pawpaw and shea butter for lips, skin, cuticles and hair. And it's 100% natural. I've already got one of these, so I will pass this on because a little goes a long way. Can you see there? Oh, it's sealed. I'll keep it sealed. But yeah, a little goes a long way. It's just a really nice balm. I mainly use them for my cuticles. Cuticles tend to get really dry. The full size, whatever the full size may be, is £9.95. This multi-use skin saviour utilises its trademark papaya fruit to soothe and hydrate any irritated skin with some extra nourishing benefits from aloe vera and shea butter. Simply apply onto lips, hands, cuticles, elbows or anywhere that needs some extra relief and voila, instant relief. So there's that. Next, and I would have thought this is full size as well. Oh my word, it's worth £40. It's got to be full size. They've just haven't added it. This is Adaptology Hydro Pump Booster. This is an adaptogen support for all skin types. So pump, press and plump. The Born Again Skin Booster 1% multi-weight hyaluronic acid resurrection plant 10 mils. It's hyaluronic acid. Wow, my favourite hyaluronic acid is Vichy Mineral 89. Oh, it's just beautiful, but this one feels really nice. Yeah, it's absorbing really nicely into my skin and not leaving it too tacky, which some hyaluronic acids do. This water-based adaptogen gel not only utilises hyaluronic acid to deeply hydrate skin, but it also plumps up dehydrated lines, boosts cell metabolism, lightens dark spots, and brightens your complexion. Adaptology's mission is to help everyone have healthy skin. Yeah, I like that. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a makeup product by Lock, and this is a liquid shimmer shadow. We get quite a few products from Lock in Birchbox. We haven't had any for a long while. There's a liquid shadow there. It's pretty, isn't it? Yeah, I quite like that. This is a little mini version. The full size is worth £8. No need to save this liquid metallic shadow just for a night out. Its wearable rose gold shade and easy to apply applicator means you can create a variety of looks without any extras at any time of the day. The No Flake formula delivers gorgeous full pigment that dries quickly, feels comfortable on your lids, no primers needed, and they're cruelty-free and paraben-free as well. So those are all the products inside this month's Birchbox. So I'll just gather them all up and give you a bit of a recap. So we've got a glove, Moonpad Pro. We've got a Korres Santorini Vine Body Cleanser. Adaptology Hydro Plump Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Got a Dr. Pawpaw Multi-Purpose Balm. And lastly, a Lock liquid eyeshadow. So looking at all the products here, I think it's a really good box this month. Yeah, I've got one, so I'm going to pass that on, but everything else I'm keeping. I've got loads of these, but I really like the fact that it's a little pouch and I can put my fingers in there. So no, I'm quite happy with that. The hyaluronic acid feels really lovely on the skin. So I'm going to have to look on the website for more information about it, but it does seem really, really nice. Yeah, Santorini Vine. Oh, I love this brand. So I'm really happy with that. Gorgeous little bottle as well. And yeah, even though I've probably had it before in the past, I'm quite excited to see what I can create with that. That's a really nice metallic bronzy look. So overall, I am quite happy. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's Birchbox? Are you a subscriber? Have you received your box yet? How does it differ to mine? Or are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.